This $250 million tech titan mega mansion is the most insane house in Los Angeles.
75,000 square feet of pure glass and matte black steel hanging right over the massive cliff.
Hanging over the cliff on this cantilevered terrace. Custom charcoal seating surrounded by heavy matte black steel and structural glass. This massive drawing room features 75% glass walls. The views of LA from these custom sofas are ridiculous. Even the hidden prep kitchen is pure industrial luxury. Gunmetal cabinets, solid concrete floors, and pure white stone counters. This massive indoor service kitchen extension uses pure concrete countertops and aggressive matte black steel extraction hoods. Totally insane. These kitchen appliances are completely hidden. Custom matte black steel refrigerator panels seamlessly integrated right into raw white concrete. We are dining over the cliff. A 20-seat custom gray metal table, surrounded by massive glass walls and concrete. Breakfast with a view. This nook features a custom gunmetal table wrapped in 180 degrees of frameless structural glass. Imagine taking your morning coffee right here. Pure white designer chairs, gunmetal walls, and totally unobstructed glass corner city views. This powder room is an architectural masterpiece. A monolithic floating black marble sink punched straight out of raw, board-formed concrete. Walking through these corridors is like a museum. 50 feet of solid frameless glass contrasting against raw, board-formed concrete. This custom geometric chandelier is completely insane. Sharp, matte black steel angles and thick structural glass catching the light. If you want to run the world, this is the office. Massive concrete desk, matte black steel, and total privacy. Waking up to this is just illegal. A custom white bed, fluted concrete walls, and a massive glass terrace. Is this a spa or a bathroom? Freestanding black granite tub, concrete vanities, and massive frameless glass everywhere. Let's go. Look at this insane custom art piece. Massive matte black steel geometry bolted straight into raw, board-formed concrete walls. You have to see this staircase. It's all black marble treads and frameless structural glass. Look at the engineering here. Insanity.
Even the guest rooms are insane. Concrete architecture, matte black steel details, and massive glass sliders everywhere we look, 75,000 square feet.
The VIP suite is unmatched. Massive steel canopy bed, raw concrete walls, and those insane frameless glass views. Wow. This family suite is absolutely next level. Matte black floating steel beds bolted straight into solid white concrete walls. Even the secondary guest rooms get this crazy architectural treatment. Charcoal floors, heavy structural glass, and pure white luxury furniture. The guest baths are fully decked out. Pure white concrete vanities and massive frameless glass showers wrapped in dark gunmetal. Contrast is everything in this house. Blinding white stone floors clashing perfectly with these aggressive matte black steel luxury fixtures. A walk-in closet bigger than most houses. 50 feet of illuminated charcoal cabinets and a massive pure glass center island. The upper family lounge is flooded with light. Look at that massive structural glass skylight framed perfectly in black steel. This library is a billionaire's sanctuary. Endless charcoal shelving, a massive matte black steel ladder, and structural glass floors. Look up at this ceiling. A massive geometric grid of matte black steel and structural glass flooding the concrete.
The laundry room is completely custom. Blinding white cabinetry clashing against heavy matte black steel washing units and concrete.
Step into the mudroom. Raw, board-formed concrete walls, massive structural glass pivot doors, and custom charcoal leather seating. The staff quarters keep the identical ultra-modern aesthetic. Pristine white surfaces, polished concrete flooring, and flawless black steel hardware. Welcome to the immersive cinema. Pure charcoal velvet acoustic walls, matte black ceilings, and custom white leather luxury recliners. This entertainment hall is massive. A custom matte black steel billiards table sitting perfectly on raw, polished concrete floors. This private home gym is absolutely massive. Pure polished concrete floors, matte black equipment, and total frameless glass canyon views. The spa level is stealth wealth. Pure charcoal stone walls and massive structural glass enclosures for the ultimate steam experience. Check out these interior doors. 10 feet tall, pure matte black steel, pivoting smoothly on massive structural concrete frames. Even the floor details are perfectly engineered. Massive custom charcoal slabs seamlessly meeting flawless matte black steel structural trim pieces. Find your zen in this private yoga studio. Blinding white concrete walls totally surrounded by massive frameless structural glass. This indoor dining extension is perfect for hosting. Pure white stone tables paired with heavy matte black steel details. Lounge indoors right next to the pool. Pure white concrete decks and custom charcoal velvet seating behind structural glass.
The cabinetry is flawless. Seamless matte black steel panels with zero hardware, perfectly integrated into the raw white concrete architecture.
Start your morning at this private artisanal espresso bar. Pure white marble counters and custom matte black steel espresso machines. Even the kids' entertainment room is architectural perfection. Pure white surfaces enclosed by massive floor-to-ceiling frameless glass structural walls. The VIP ensuite is pure luxury. Dark charcoal slate floors, matte black fixtures, and a massive white stone soaking tub. Check out this private bike collection. Custom matte black heavy motorcycles showcased perfectly inside massive frameless glass structural display boxes. Even the landscaping is industrial luxury. Tiered concrete walls and matte black planters framing the massive glass estate perfectly. Look at this industrial engineering. Massive exposed matte black steel climate ducts contrasting beautifully against raw board-formed concrete ceilings. The indoor pool lounge is insane. Dark gunmetal tiles and perfectly still water completely enclosed in towering structural glass. Step down into this massive concrete conversation pit. Charcoal velvet seating and a custom matte black steel fire element. Her private suite is absolute perfection. Pure white concrete walls, charcoal velvet bedding, and endless frameless structural glass. This private vanity room is flawlessly designed. Pure white stone, matte black steel mirrors, and heavy frameless glass. Indoor-outdoor living perfected. Massive sliding frameless glass panels open completely to seamlessly blend polished concrete with insane canyon views. The private party room is built for billionaires. Massive gunmetal bar, polished concrete, and completely wrapped in frameless glass. The private security hub is completely stealth. Massive black steel consoles and pure concrete walls to protect the estate. The brains of the mansion are fully exposed. Flawless matte black steel automation servers mounted perfectly on raw concrete. This private glass wine vault is incredible. Dark gunmetal racks completely enclosed inside massive frameless structural glass walls. Find peace inside this private indoor Zen garden. Raw concrete walls, matte black planters, and a massive glass ceiling. The casual media lounge is pure industrial comfort. A massive gunmetal modular sofa resting on flawless polished concrete floors. This relaxation pavilion feels like a billionaire retreat. Suspended matte black steel loungers floating perfectly over polished concrete floors. Even the guest showers are massive. Dark gunmetal slate totally enclosed by 50 square feet of pure frameless glass. Look at the elite designer furniture. This custom charcoal leather geometric chair rests flawlessly on thick structural glass floors. The architectural lighting in here is stunning. Warm 3500 Kelvin spotlights aggressively illuminating the heavy matte black steel. This private study room is absolutely elite. Monolithic white concrete desks and custom matte black steel bookshelves built completely flush. The views from this upper interior balcony are insane. Overlooking the massive living space through completely frameless glass railings. 75,000 square feet of pure architectural dominance. This is what a $250 million tech titan mansion looks like.
Smash that subscribe button if you would live here. $250 million of pure glass, steel, and concrete perfection.